Look at all them birds. I just need to clear my view. There we go. Wow. Check this out. Yeah. Oh, he's got some guy's legs. Look at all them poopy birds. Hey, whoa. Okay, that's good. Oh, hello. The bird got on me. Whoop, he's still there. Hi there. Hi there, little guy. Hi there. Hello. Whoop, another one's on my arm. Oh.
You like my hoodie?
Oh. That is awesome. Wow. Okay. One just got on my hand. One's on my back. Evidently.
One's in your pocket. You have one in your pocket.
Ah! A bird in my pocket. Wow. One's crawling on me. They're all crawling on me. Jesus. Okay, time for you to get off me now. I'm sorry. Come on. Oh, God.
Come here.
Here's my dad.
Ow,
Oh.
he's biting me.
Wow, they're everywhere. Okay, time for you to get off now. Please. Okay, hold on. Oh, great, another one's in my pocket. Hi there. Wow, so many birds. Okay.
You want that one off? Oh, it's off. Check your pockets.
Any more? Okay. All right, we're done here. Oh, here comes another one, and it's on my dad. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm ready to get out of here. All right, off I go. All right, nice seeing you. Bye-bye. Oh, that was so crazy. There's the wallaroo. Hello there, little wallaroo. And there's another one. Wow. Still. Oh my God. Look at those damn birds. They were crawling on. Most of them were crawling on me. I won't say all of them, but you know. Wow.